All right, that needs to go away immediately because I don't want to hear that. Um, but I don't have my hat right now. I think I might have solved this problem. We'll throw hair that way, right? And then we'll clip this. Can't be clipped there. We'll clip this here. So I'm looking at it and it looks like it's good. It's not like crazy clipping. I don't have any, like, I had to do a bunch of shit. But it doesn't look like it's clipping. I'm gonna wait for someone to jump in here. I probably could have did this like in a Discord call, but it's easier this way for me, I think. I don't know. Maybe. We'll see. But I think I might have solved it. I have two mics on. What's up? Thank you coming in, Josh. I think I might have solved it. I think I might have solved it. It's not clipping. It's not doing anything crazy. I'm not yelling, obviously. I'm just talking normally. And I feel like it's staying within the good volume. It's not like super peaking anymore. I am touching a mic, so you might be hearing ruffling. That won't be happening much longer once I figure out what to do with this mic. All right, so I'm going to set that down. We're coming in clear. Perfect. Now, obviously, we have to try talking a little bit louder. So I'm going to talk a lot louder right now. This is what me and Jarrell usually talk, like the level we usually talk to. It should like decrease. It should not clip. And it doesn't look like it's clipping to me. It doesn't sound like it look like it's clipping out. It looks like we're just coming through, just not as loud. So you tell me how that sounds. Because I hope, I really hope that I learned something. What's good, Yato? Welcome to me testing mic volume and mic setups. I think I solved one of the issues. Yeah, that sounds good to me. Oh my god, perfect. I wasn't sure if it was gonna work because I did all this setup and then like I was doing my own testing and I'm like, it doesn't look like it changed at all. So I restarted my computer and did some testing, and I'm like, all right, it looks good. And so it sounds better. Let me find my hat so I can put that on. And then we can test with it like in my, like up here. Oop, 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 oop. Where did I put my hat? Here it is. Okay. All right. All right. So this is probably where mics are gonna be. I'm talking a lot louder than I normally would because I'm trying to emulate everything I did, or like normal fucking stream. We're talking loud. We're kind of yelling at each other. We're being fucking us. So it shouldn't get that loud anymore. I should show you guys all the shit that I worked on. How does one do this now? They changed how this works. This is weird. I want to share a screen. I want to share my entire screen. Okay, so this is my virtual audio mixer. This is what I was trying to use. I'm not looking at chat now. Okay. This is what I was trying to use before. It sounds good with a bit of an echo, but that's just because the distance, I'm sure. It might be the two mics. I can look into the echo. But yeah, this is what I was trying to use, was a virtual mixer, but I don't need to use the mixer. The mixer is just combining audio and pushing it somewhere. I'm fine with this. I had the gate up before, and a little bit of compression, but it wasn't detailed enough. So what I had to look up was this. Go to location, please. Open file location. Boom. Um, this tool, this fucking equalizer type shit. So like I had to put an equalizer, gate, a compression, a stuff that I don't fully understand, but I watched a bunch of videos on, and this basically equals out to we shouldn't be when we're getting too loud, it should decrease the volume, and when we're too quiet, it should increase the volume. So our quality should be there. The echo is something that I'll have to probably look up. I don't know what I'm doing here, so can't really like play with it that much here. But like, let's see, this panel, I had to set all this up so that like low frequency shit drops off and super high frequency shit drops off. This panel just is my downward expander, so like low volume shit gets pushed up. I'm pretty sure this is what this one is. Or maybe it's the other way around where it like high volume shit gets pushed down. This is the gate, obviously. Uh, we gotta at least break 15 negative 15. I think I might raise that because I don't know. I'll have to figure out how I can like what to do with the gate because I know we're just loud individuals. Um, it's a compensator. No, oppression. So once it gets to negative 20 dB, everything or every 4 decibels above negative 20 dB gets compressed a little bit more. So the louder we are, the softer we get. Um, I have this set somewhat high at a 4.0 ratio. I might put it higher, but we'll see. I don't think I need to put this higher. I put it pretty high already. Um, this is another compressor for low level frequencies to be pushed up, and then there's one for high level frequencies to be pushed down. I did not really set up this equalizer. Yeah, I didn't set up this equalizer because I don't understand this section. They tried explaining it to me. I don't really fully get it. They had 9 different bands across this. I only have 4. So like I could add some, but like they had 9 bands and it was all set up very precisely. And I'm just like, I'm not, I don't understand this enough to do it. So I didn't do it. I apply automatically. We'll see if this like if I can come in and do some stuff there. I think the gain is pretty good, so we should be there. And then this is for background noise. I don't know if you guys are hearing much background noise. I do usually have a fan running or something. But it seems like everyone thinks this is good. Or at least you two think this sounds good. So if Showtime comes and this sounds like shit, I'm going to be upset. I'm just going to throw this out there. But I'm going to go figure out the echo. Thanks for being here. Perfect. This took too much work to not get Yeah, took a lot of work, but I'm here. So fuck.